Welcome, today I am with iPad mini 2021 and Beats Studio Buds, and I will show you how we can link this to device. So we got two methods how we can connect them, and the first we have to be sure that the Bluetooth is enabled on our iPad, like here as you can see. So the first option, simply open case of your Beats Studio Buds. And right now, as you can see here, we got this floating notification. So we can automatically connect them by simply tapping right here. As you can see, we are connected. So that's the first method, and it was very simple. But if you don't have this floating notification that pops on your screen, I'm going to disconnect and forget this device. So if you don't have this notification, as I said before, you have to open the case also, and then you have to move buds to the pairing mode manually. You have to take a look on this button, and you have to click and hold it for a few seconds until this indicator on the front starts blinking. After that you can release, and as you can see, the Beats will also appear on this list, and you will get this floating notification. So when you are going to tap on them once, as you can see, right now we are finally connected. So that's how you can connect Beats Studio Buds with your iPad mini 2021. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.